Hello everyone, today I'm showing you how to do HelloWorld. I have made a video on HelloWorld before, but it wasn't really a tutorial, it was just me showing how to do it. But I'll be going into full explanation here on how to do HelloWorld. It's actually really easy, it's the basics. And yeah, let's just get straight into it. First things first, we're just going to go ahead and open up Visual Studio. Go ahead and click create a new project. And click console application and make sure it's in C#. So C and then that like hashtag. Next. You can go ahead and rename this to something, like anything you want. I'm just going to name this the tutorial. Okay, I had to rename it because I already had a tutorial one before. So I renamed it as tutorial 12, but that's okay. Go ahead and hit create. And it should look something like this. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in full screen. Zoom it in. And it kind of gives you a template here, but we're going to make this into our own. So we're going to start off by being able for the console to read this. You're going to do this by writing console.read1, just like so. And then we also want it to read it, so we're going to do console.read key. And this actually lets the console stay open. And you can then go ahead and change anything that's in these speech here. Do anything you like. So I'm just gonna write hello. This is a simple tutorial. We're gonna make this look a bit cool, so why not? So we're gonna go ahead and create a new lines up here. I'm gonna write console.window height. I'm gonna go ahead and write about like 40. This sets the console height. I'm gonna write console color equals console color equals no dot, and then the color you want. I'm gonna do green because it looks kind of hackerish and cool. And I'm gonna do console dot background color if you want to, but it's kind of hard to read stuff on background colors, so I recommend doing this, but I'm going to do it just to kind of show what's capable. And I'm going to do red, because why not? That's actually quite hard to read on, so I'm going to change this to black. Go ahead and type what you want to respond with. So I'm going to say hi, and then go ahead and copy these top two, paste it down here. You can go ahead and change this to like hi, and then when you type hi in the console, it will say hi back. If you write something that's too long, for example, hello, nice to meet you, I am. If you take something that's really long like this, go ahead and find somewhere in the text, like a backslash, and then an N, and that pretty much means a new line. So this text will start on a new line. You can go ahead and do this a couple times around the text. And now when you hit F5 on your keyboard, or go up here and press the play button, it should open your console. As you can see at the top here, we've got all of this like nonsense. So we want to go ahead and replace that. To replace that, go back up here, write console dot and then title, and then the title of what you want it to be called. I'm gonna call this tutorial title, and then go ahead and end it off with a semicolon. And go ahead and open it up again. As you can see, it now says tutorial title. If the video helped, make sure to subscribe because I'm trying to get to 40 subs and I'm currently at 35, so I'm super close. And yeah, see you later.